just want to see the legs and the arms. And it's like crazy.
This is Moore. She's 6.5 months pregnant, living in that mix of excitement and worry that every expecting mom knows. But today, she's trying something that could change all of that.
There is the head. Now I see the face.
This small handheld device is Pulsenmore, and it's just become the first at-home ultrasound to receive FDA approval in the US, meaning women like Moore can now perform an actual ultrasound from home. When you're at home and you can't see the baby, what do you usually wish you could see?
Every time I go to sleep, she's waking up. So that's the time that I really want to know what she's exactly doing. Like if she's okay.
Do you ever get nervous and wish that you could just see her?
Especially in the morning, asking myself, okay, when the kick is coming.
Moore's reaction is exactly what Pulsenmore says this device is built for: reassurance, accessibility, and equity. It works in 2 simple ways. You plug your phone in and connect to an app that can guide you step by step through the scan, or a doctor can watch the scan live and guide you remotely in real time. Getting this device FDA approved wasn't simple, but a major clinical trial across 4 top US hospitals showed something big. Regular pregnant women, not technicians, can perform accurate scans at home with the right guidance.
So, from time to time, a patient will come in 16 weeks. She's anxious because she doesn't feel the baby move. She comes in for an ultrasound. This is very important to give them this reassurance, but it's very time-consuming for the patient and for me.
Professor Eran Hadar is the chief of maternal fetal medicine at Rabin Medical Center in central Israel. And today, more than 2,000 of his patients are using Pulsenmore.
So we have a specialized dashboard to see the scans the patient did at home. She can scan whenever she likes. The scans are uploaded, and I can take a look at the scans she did and give her an interpretation about the findings. She can do up to 50 scans from 14 weeks until delivery. This patient, she uploaded her scan 22 minutes ago, and this is her 9th scan. Here I see a very nice baby with a heartbeat and a good amount of amniotic fluid. I see fetal movements.
You're going to send her a message on
right, she'll get a text message. If I think something is abnormal, I'll call her and I explain her what to do.
How does this impact your day today?
I get a lot of patients who come in and say, I just need to know that everything is okay. And it takes me a minute to do the ultrasound. But if she does it at home, she doesn't have to travel. She doesn't have to find parking. She doesn't have to wait in line. And in the same minute, she will do it at home and I will see it.
And ultimately does clear up the hospital rooms in a certain sense, right? There's always a wait when you come here.
Right.
The impact of this device is set to change maternal medical care as we know it. In the US, about 35% of counties are considered medical deserts. This means that pregnant women often have to drive for hours just to receive basic medical care. About 20,000 patients have already used Pulsenmore across Israel, Brazil, Australia, and Europe. And with the new FDA approval, the device is set to roll out across the US starting in 2026.
Our goal at Pulsenmore is just to make the home ultrasound available for every patient who wants it. The healthcare systems globally are really shifting towards hybrid care, and Pulsenmore can be a big part of it. Allowing for remote consultations with clinicians is really a game changer.
For expecting parents like Moore, the future is simple. She just saw her baby. Everything's okay, and she did it herself.
I can see actually the heartbeat.
If you had this at home, do you think you would use it a lot?
For sure.
And you wouldn't have to go to the doctors as often?
Yeah, for sure.